How you doing, guys? Chris here. So what you see here isn't a new product from iFLIGHT. It's actually built out of necessity. So this is my old DC3. It's hard to say old. It's only, what, a year and a half old, but still older. And my Cinewhoop died on me. I lost a motor and a ESC. So I basically repurposed my DC3 here to be my new Cinewhoop, so to speak, because my other Cinewhoop, my actual whoop, that died about 6 months ago, and this is all I got left. So basically I built this out of necessity, and it's not bad. There's a lot of space in the arms to put this on here. I think just a little bit of touching right here happened. So I took the old trusty file, this guy right here, and I filed it all out. Just basically got rid of the lip on the edges of the prop guard / ducts. And yeah, it's a 3-inch prop. I think these are the Wind Dancer props from GemFan. Let's double check that. Yep, 30/28 GemFan. So yeah, let's give it a quick hover. I also had to do this, so I had to take the air unit out of it to get the ducts prop guards in here. So I put my Vista in there. It fit, you know, no big deal. Basically it was the repurposed Vista that I took out of this Cinewhoop here. So it's, you know, reduce, reuse, recycle, right? Let's get a weight on it before we hover it. Let's see. So it is 171.3 with a battery. This is a 4S650. 230.9, and you know, you got to run it with a camera, so I got to go here. Ooh, look at that, 249.9. Well, I'm gonna have to cut that battery strap or get rid of a couple of screws to make sure that it's under 250 when you fly, but it's definitely doable. All right, take 2. I actually recorded this on time lapse the first time around, so I only got like 5 seconds of video. So let's try that one more time. Pretty good. So I had to make this flight video kind of quick because 1, the battery was getting kind of low, and 2, the sun is just ridiculous right here in view. So I just do a quick flight in the backyard just to get an idea of if there's any vibrations with these added prop guards. So it looks pretty clean as I come up. I mean, it's not perfect, could use a little tuning. Obviously the stock tune wasn't exactly ideal for prop guards, but you know, it worked out pretty well. I'm not dissatisfied with any of it. What I'll be more worried about is what it'll look like with the external camera attached. So here we are a little bit later in the day. It's a little wobbly still, there's a breeze out there. I got the external camera on and I'm just having some fun with it. This little guy will do the job until I can get something better. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.